Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mechanic 757. My point in my video, I get straight to the point as I always do. I want you to know if you're trying a business, doesn't matter if you're a mobile mechanic or lawn security or whatever it is you're doing, keep on doing it. Do not give up. You're going to get haters on YouTube, in your face, behind your back. You're going to get naysayers. It's just part of the territory. They just chew chicken butt to do what you are doing, and you're putting yourself out there and you're making things happen. It's not going to happen overnight. This is not a sprint. This is a marathon. Most businesses fail within 1 year. It is all about your mentality, and you need to hook up and network with people who are where you want to be. I once was not in this position. I was just making $30,000, $32,000 doing maintenance, and then I also was in the military. Well, I wasn't wearing any khakis, so I wasn't making very much money. So I had to decide what was the issue. It wasn't the customers. It wasn't the environment or someone trying to mess with me. It was actually myself and the way I was thinking. So I went from $30,000 just by my changing of how I do my business and listening to people who are where I want to be at. And I jumped from $30,000 to $60,000 in 1 year. Then last year, I did a lot of different things that even took me a little higher by listening and networking people. And now I'm knocking at $72,000, $75,000. And that is no exaggeration. And that is me by myself. That doesn't include the people that are under me. But I have a neurological disease. This is not about feeling sorry for myself, but by the grace of God, I can speak and do what I do every day. Even though it's a struggle, I do what I do. And you can do it too. You have to be your own cheerleader and surround yourself by only people who are uplifting you. If the people around you are not uplifting you, you got to give them, and you need to kick them down, tell them to go kick rocks and keep it moving. And if you keep doing what you're doing, what they make in a month, you can make in a week. You can make their salary within 1 month if you actually listen. And I got plenty of videos, and I do one-on-one consultations, and I sell my documents that has been over 30 something years of my experience and all my mistakes. I've actually got it down to a science now. It can be found at mobilemechanic757.com, mobilemechanic757.com. It will be in the description, but this is not about selling you. You have to keep on until you make it to where you want to be. This is your life. You are the CEO of your life. You hire and fire in private and also in business of anybody who's not on board with what you're looking for. And everybody is not meant to be on board what you're looking for. And all the customers, you're going to have bad customers. You're dealing with human beings. Get over it. Move on. It is about business and doing what you got to do and making a legacy for yourself and your family. So with that being said, if you like my videos, please like, subscribe, and share. And you can go to my website, mobilemechanic757.com, and you can see what I have to offer. And I'm here to help mobile mechanics, business people, and I'm also here for the customers. It's never about me. I'm just a tool from God to give you the information to help you go from beer money to champagne money. Hoorah.